Alright, 2008 Mercedes, since I'm waiting for other cars. I don't know, man. I think this one was run hard and put away wet. It's got a little minor damage in the front right there. It's been repainted already once in the front. I've seen the repaint and everything. It's got coilover, so it's lowered all the way around. Can't open the trunk. The rear deck lid is missing. What else? Other than that, it's got 164,000 miles, something like that. But I don't know. It's 2008. Thinking about it. Next over here, 2008 smart car. This thing is pretty dope. Custom color, custom interior, convertible, non-runner. And they got a new thing at Copart. You can't jumpstart non-running cars. If they're enhanced, you cannot jump them, and you can't bring your own battery pack anymore at Copart. So this one's a side hit insurance. It says it's not a runner, but it looks like it's ran through the auction before. It's got a D, but now it says it doesn't run. It's been here almost a year. Came in July 15th of 22. Bullet hole exit, bullet hole entrance, bullet hole right there. Another bullet hole here. So this thing was involved in a shooting, something like that. So I don't know what happened. Check out the interior. Like I said, I can't jump start this one. No nothing. It's got 28,000 miles. So they did put a jumper on it, I think. But look at, you can't reach. So I think that's what they did. So they put it on running. I don't know. So that's this one. It's got a side skirt inside. A whole bunch of junk in the back. It's got a system. Got an amp right there. I like this one. This one's I'm gonna be bidding on this one tomorrow. So I'm just waiting for a Mini Cooper and another Mercedes GLK. So these are the two contenders for tomorrow. Be right back. All right, 2011 GLK 350 4MATIC. Vandalism. They popped every tire. They slashed them. Slight scratches all along here. They keyed it again. Sliced this tire too. Comes around all the way around. The scratch, the key scratch, all the way through the whole car. This tire slashed also. This tire slashed also. You can tell. And whoever was doing it doesn't know how to spell. I don't know if you can see that, but F-U, you know. But they don't know how to spell you. But vandal there. And then we got a 2011 Cooper Clubman, I think. Non-S, it's not an S, non-runner, and I know why it's not a non-runner. When I came in here, this was taken out. And also, I thought it was a non-runner because it's a 5-speed. And a lot of times at Copart, they don't know how to start manuals. You got to put the clutch in. But I was looking some more, and I saw some panels back there. There is an ECM, some kind of module missing. I'm skipping this one. This is why it doesn't run. I'm done with this one. Nope. Stay away. Been here, just got here too. It's clean, don't get me wrong, but nope. Not gonna happen today. No ECM. I'll see how much that is. I don't even know what that one is for. Yeah, so there's that one. 2011 Cooper. I'm passing on this one, but I mean, I like it. They're cool. Got this little door right here. Pretty dope. I like it. Like I said, nope. Passing on this one. I'm still liking this one. This one's definitely on my list. And that one. These two, and not those two. Not the Mini Cooper, not the red Mercedes, but the black Mercedes and the purple smart car. As you can see, I am a good member. I put the plastic back. I'm not an ass. I put things back the way I find them. I don't know why people ruin it for other people, man. All right, that's gonna end it now.